Welcome back, students, again. Now we'll discuss a very important property of inverse, or we can say that very important property to find the inverse of a matrix when an identity of matrix is given. So that matrix A equals to, in question 17, matrix A equals to given 3, 1, minus 1, 2. And it satisfies an metric equation. A metric equation is a square minus 5a plus 7i equals to O. O means null matrix. It's a matrix equation. A square minus 5a plus 7i. So first of all, we will find this a square. 3, 1, minus 1, 2. A square means we know that A into A. Means multiply the matrix A with the matrix A. Again, we will use the same method. What? First row of first matrix is multiplied to first column of second matrix. That is 3 into 3 plus 1 into minus 1 will be the first element. Then what? First row into second column means corresponding elements. First element with first element, 3 into 1. Second element with second element, and they are added then. Again, second row, first column. So minus 1 into 3 plus 2 into minus 1 is taken then. Then second row, second column finally. So minus 1 into 1 plus 2 into 2 equals to 3 3s are 9, minus 1, 3 plus 2, don't skip the steps, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1 plus 4 equals to 8, 5, minus 5, 3. So this is the value of a square. To find the value of 5a is very easy. Whenever we multiply a matrix with a constant, we have to multiply all the elements with that constant. 5 3s are 15, 5 1s are 5, minus 5, and 5 2s are 10. And 7i means 7 into identity matrix of the same order. As matrix addition is compatible only when all the matrices have the same order. So now we find a square minus 5a plus 7i equals to what? A square, this is 8, 5, minus 5, 3, minus 5a, 15, 5, minus 5, 10, plus 7i, 7, 0, 0, 7 equals to 8 minus 15 plus 7, first element, 5 minus 5 plus 0, second element, minus 5 minus minus plus 5 plus 0, third element, and 3 minus 10 plus 7. In addition, we add element to element. 8 minus 15 plus 7 is 0, 5 minus 5 is 0, minus 5 plus 5 0, 3 plus 7, 10 minus 10, 0, which is equal to O, which is RHS, hence 2. So in first part, we have to prove that A square minus 5A plus 7I equals to O. And in second part, we have to find A inverse using this equation, matrix equation. So first we write this matrix equation, A square minus 5A plus 7I equals to O. Then multiply A inverse to all the parts of this. Means A inverse into this A square can be written as A into A minus 5 into A inverse into A plus 7 into A inverse into I equals to A inverse into O. We will not change the order at any point, though it is not affected. It is not affecting this matrix. But we should write A inverse the first element, first matrix in all the product. This is the correct notation. So A inverse A is I into A minus 5 into A inverse A is again I plus 7 into A inverse into I is A inverse. A inverse into O is O only. It acts as 0 only. I into A, I acts as 1 minus 5I equals to minus 7 A inverse. Or in place of this line, if we transfer all the matrix except this to the next side, IA means A into I, which is A, minus 5 into I. Now, matrix A is 3, 1, minus 1, 2. Minus 5 into identity matrix is 1, 0, 0, 1. Okay. 3, 1, minus 1, 2 is A. So we have used it. Equals to 3, 1, minus 1, 2, minus 5, 0, 0, 5 equals to 3 minus 5, 1 minus 0, minus 1 minus 0, 2 minus 5 equals to 3 minus 5, minus 2, 1 minus 0, 1, minus 1 minus 0, minus 1, 2 minus 5, minus 3. And this is the value of 7A inverse. It implies A inverse equals to 1 by 7, 2 minus 2, 1, minus 1, minus 3. So this is the method when it is given that A square minus 5A plus 7I equals to O, and we have to find A inverse using this matrix equation. So you have to use only this in subjective questions only. I am not discussing this time the objective questions. When we use objective question, we have very simple method. First we find the determinant, 3 2 is 6 plus 1 7 into adjoint of A is obtained by interchanging these two elements 2 3 and changing the sign of these two elements. So check whether it is giving the same answer or not. Yes, it is giving the same answer. Is it not giving the same answer? Why? This is because when we have changed the side, we have not changed the sign. This A becomes minus A, minus 5I becomes plus 5, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, 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 minus, plus. So we can easily find our mistakes also. All the sign will be changed. And then these two elements are changed. So 3, 2. Sorry, this we are finding from this only. Not using the correct method. Plus and minus. So this is the answer. 2, 1, minus 1, 3. And we are getting this also as the answer. Okay. So when we have changed the sign, we have not change. When we have changed the sides, we have not changed the sign, which we must change. Okay, understood everyone? So solve it yourself now and learn how to find your mistakes also. No problem in doing the mistake, but when we check them, the presentation must be so clear that we can find our mistakes easily. Okay. So continue to solve the questions and continue to ask your doubts in comment box.